Hi guys, welcome to my new channel How to Heartwarmers. Today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate Christmas tree to decorate your home, your Christmas table, or even to give it away as a gift to someone you love. If you like to watch home and DIY videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel and to like this video. I have another one showing you how I decorated my festive coffee and hot chocolate station, so don't forget to check this one out too. For the base of my chocolate tree, I'm using a cake stand, but you could also use a tray or a little vase or anything else you have available at home, like an old candle jar. I'm using a polystyrene cone I got from eBay for just £3. To fix the cone to the cake stand, I'm using tape. You don't need to use any glue as the tree won't move due to the weight of your chocolate. To add the chocolate to the tree, I'm using some pins I got from eBay too. For a 30 centimeter tree, I use only one circle of pins, so you don't need many of them. Now I will show you how to add the chocolate to the tree. If you are hesitant to use pins because you have children at home, you can use glue to add the chocolates to the cone base. Hot glue is always the most efficient one in my opinion. I prefer to use pins because I like to reuse the polystyrene cone in other projects and on other occasions throughout the year. If you use glue, the cone will be damaged once someone takes the chocolate. The key to fill your tree is always placing one chocolate more or less overlapping another one and arranging the chocolates in a way to cover all the surface of your tree. This is such a fun craft to try. I think this tree can also make a great gift. Instead of just giving away a plain box of chocolates, how about giving someone you love a beautifully decorated handmade tree? Another idea is to use candy instead of chocolates and maybe try to make a tower of strawberries using the same technique. To do that, all you need to do is to cover the polystyrene cone with film and add the strawberries to the tree using melted chocolate. As you can see, this tree is quite versatile and I can't wait to see what your tree will look like. If you try that at home, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Instagram using the hashtag Heartwarmers. To use on the top of my tree, I will make a bow using 3 ribbons. You can also use a star or any other decoration you already have at home. I already had these ribbons at home and my bow will match the colors I'm using on my festive coffee station. You can click here to check how I decorated my Christmas coffee and hot chocolate station. To make this bow, I used 3 different sizes of ribbons, a larger ribbon, a medium and a smaller one. I marked all of them in the middle and glued the ends of each one to their center. Simple, easy and super effective. No one can go wrong with this bow and I hope you will give it a try. If you are using hot glue, don't be clumsy like me. I almost damaged my kitchen counter. Cover the surface of your kitchen with paper towel or something else. To finish my bow, I then glued all the pieces together and finished with a detail in the middle and long strips to cover any empty space in our tree. This video is almost over, so don't forget to watch until the end to see the result of this project. And that's the final result of our chocolate Christmas tree. My tree is decorating my coffee station in the kitchen, but I made other trees to decorate the house and they look lovely. I hope you enjoyed this little fun project and you will try it at home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.